The Lamborghini Huracan is a high-performance sports car produced by Lamborghini. Styled by Filippo Perini and acting as the replacement for the Gallardo, the Huracan was first unveiled online in late 2013 before it made its first public appearance at the 2014 Geneva Motor Show. The initial model, the LP610-4, is powered by a 5.2L CSJ V10 making 602 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch. A Spider version of the Huracan was launched in 2016. The LP610-4 was discontinued in 2019 and replaced by the Huracan Evo.